Yo, what's up guys? It's a night run today, February 1, our day 32 out of 365. So for today's run, meron tayong HIIT run. So compose yun na 10 minutes na easy run, then follow up ng second set na 2 sets of 450 to 520 na pacing. Then follow up siya ng 2 minutes na rest. Then after nun, last set is the easy 10 minutes run ulit. So ayan. So come and join me kahit gabi na. Let's run pa rin. Let's go. Day 32. 1K 6:53. 2K 6:10. 3K 7:17. 4K 7:17. Let's go. That's our day 32 out of 365. So we completed 4 kilometer despite na may nararamdaman tayong sakit ngayon. Pero takbo pa rin tayo para pawisan, para lumabas yung mga virus sa katawan natin. Pero yun lang, kaya ko sinasabi, be healthy, be wealthy, stay active, always run for your life. And in the evening, let's run. Run safe guys.